Stop. Don't do it. Holding in a sneeze is basically playing Russian roulette with your face. A sneeze blasts out of your body at around 100 miles per hour, basically a tiny air bazooka built into your skull. So when you hold that in, all that pressure has to go somewhere. And spoiler, it's usually not somewhere good. People have literally burst eardrums, popped blood vessels, and even injured their throat because they tried to politely not sneeze. So if you gotta sneeze, just go for it. Don't risk turning your head into a pressure cooker. Let it out, save a life, preferably yours.